What's up YouTube, it's Sofan from TechCycle. In this video we are going to look at a simple thought that hit my mind, that is routing a good thing or bad thing in 2018? Or we can interrupt that question like, is going through all the hassle of unlocking bootloader and rooting your device, is it going to bring us anything, or is it a waste of time? I will start with myself and my device. I rooted all the device that passed through my hand for the flexibility. I got a personality to test all the things I see, and for testing all I see in XDA forum, rooting kickstart that. So if you're a person who like to test new things, rooting may be a good start for you. And on overall look at the rooting world, mainly a person root their device for the extra and in customization. But on some OS and on device, there is inbuilt manufacturer option to customize their device for their own liking. Some device does not provide customizing the new extra button option. For that device, rooting is the only option. Second reason to root an Android device is to try out the application that will work only on rooted device. There are some applications which require root for the efficient running. If we look at the current scene, the number or the count of this type of application is reducing day by day, as Android and device manufacturer is providing the options provided by this type of application as an inbuilt feature, basically killing the need for root. Finally, the third point on this rooting session is not an advantage of rooting. It is one of the biggest disadvantage of rooting, that is, rooting will kill all the banking application. Sadly, it's a true statement. Rooting will kill all the banking application due to the security vulnerability that rooting brings to the device. At last, about rooting your device, it all depends on you. If you don't want to lose banking functionality and you can settle with the options provided by manufacturer, and you know that you are not going to use that extra and provided by rooting the device, don't go through all the hassle of unlocking bootloader and rooting your device, as you are just wasting your precious time. On other hand, if you don't care about time, banking functionality, security problems, and can't settle with the options provided by manufacturers, go root your device, as you are going to enjoy every bit of it. So thanks for watching guys. If you think this video sucks, that button. If you think this video is awesome, hit the like button and stick with us so you might find something interesting.